Paspas from BSIT 3 Block L, and this is my reaction video to legal compliance in action per a real life case where company face legal challenges related to IT compliance. The Equifax data breach. The compliance aspects of the Equifax data breach mainly involve pre-breach compliance failures on post-breach compliance measures and penalties in multiple countries and regions. Here's our detailed breakdown. Pre-breach compliance failures. Equifax violated various data protection and security regulation by failing to implement basic safeguards leading to the breach. US failed to patch a known vulnerability in its online dispute portal for over 2 months that hundreds of security certificates expire, including 17 for critical domains, lacked clear IT management accountability, and had outdated complex systems, violating laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act or FCRA and FTC Act, which prohibits unfair deceptive practices. In Canada, fell short of obligations under the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documentation Act or PIPEDA, including poor security, excessive data retention, inadequate consent procedures, and limited protection for Canadian data processed in the US. UK, Equifax Ltd failed to oversee data outsource to its US parent, violating Financial Conduct Authority or FCA rules. Rules requiring firms for protect customer data and manage third-party risk. It also delayed notifying UK consumers and made misleading public statements. Post-breach compliance measures and penalties. Regulators in different regions impose fines, consent orders, and mandatory improvements to force Equifax into compliance. US. A global settlement with the CFPB, FTC, and 48 states required up to $700